delicious seaweed salad or halamang dagat ensalada with beans. Or you could also make pepino ensalada or cucumber salad. Another salad you can make is the cabbage, organic cabbage, green cabbage salad. Another salad you can make is cauliflower salad. And you can place some tomatoes and a little bit of garlic and apple cider vinegar with extra virgin olive oil and some Himalayan salt and Italian seasoning. You could place lemon and pepper seasoning, garlic powder, chili powder with a touch of spiciness and hotness, oregano, and some sage. And more delicious food recipes of ensalada or salad. And Mom and Chef Nanay Nene TEODORA, our Philippines cuisine cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter Juanita Gutierrez. My beautiful and beloved mother, Mrs. TEODORA Gutierrez, was a great chef. She used to own a student canteen restaurant in our hometown in the Philippines. First woman ever elected public official, unanimously and a top-notcher at that. Proposed and founded the first and only public high school, where her daughter, the author of this beautiful cookbook, Juanita Gutierrez, was a new school teacher and unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president all over our hometown school district, while my beloved father, Mr. Hamito Javier Gutierrez, was twice elected town captain or mayor also in our hometown and approved our school budget. This was after my dad's retirement as a stenographer typist at Pan Am Airways at Wake Island Airport, United States of America. These and more delicious food recipes, way of life, Philippine traditions, Philippines Tagalog learning are in this delightful, gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene TEODORA, our Philippines cuisines. Cookbook recipes now available at Amazon, Ex Libris, all bookstores worldwide in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at Juanita Gutierrez Amazon Author Central page. Let's enjoy different kinds of salads or iba't ibang ensalada like seaweeds, halamang dagat, pepino or cucumber, organic cabbage or repolyo, and cauliflower with tomatoes and different spices. Happy cooking, happy dining, enjoy life.